Huh, turns out we're done with the grapes after all. Sweet. Well, hello there, good people. Hi, it's Jason with Green Country Agroforestry. Fall is rapidly approaching. Is it on us already? I have a hard time keeping track of the days sometimes. But as things are progressing, we have a lot of things becoming ripe and ready to harvest. One of those things is this right here, the bottle gourd or birdhouse gourd, Laganaria cicereria. And of course we have these for sale, the seeds for sale, on our website. You can check those out. This one is a gourd that we harvested last year, and as the year closed, we harvested these. We put them underneath the wood stove so they would have the opportunity to dry and cure and not get all rotten and mushy. You may notice that if you've got your gourds harvested and they're not put someplace where they're in an arid environment, they can have a tendency to get a little bit mushy and spoiled that way. So putting them under the stove, excellent way to make sure that they dry out good and don't spoil. Let's have a look at what we're pulling off of the vines though. Oh, looky there. There was even a little one down there in the weeds. After we've removed the gourds, we just take the remaining vines and lay them down here in the walkway, where they will become trampled, compacted, decompose, and turn into fresh soil. Now I'm going to take these gourds here and we'll set them under the stove, and they'll get nice and cured. And by next fall, they're going to look like this one. And so there it is, a bowl that we grew right here in the grape arbor. Isn't that cool? And you can use these for all kinds of utilitarian uses, including water storage, food storage, of course keeping your seeds for next year stored in these bottle gourds or birdhouse gourds. And we've got lots and lots of seeds, so we'd be happy to share those with you. Go ahead and check us out at greencountryagroforestry.com. We might have something that you'd like. That's all I've got for you today. I hope you found the video informative or entertaining. If you did, you know what to do. I'll catch you next time. Till then, get out there and get growing.